How to hide replies on Threads app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide replies on Threads app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Threads app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside, simply navigate to the thread post that contains the reply. And here, once you are in that particular post, what you can do is simply scroll to the reply that you want to hide. And after that, you can just tap on the three dot icon next to that reply. And from the pop-up menu, there you can either tap on archive, or there you can simply tap on hide as well. And once you do that, the reply will be hidden from other users. And that's it. That's how you can hide replies on Threads app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.